everyone, it's Brooklyn Bones, and I'm here back again with another product review. This one is on Stack Skincare. This is the DERMAPLANING tool. So exfoliates and brightens your skin. So over time, all the dark spots that you have on your face will start brightening up. And then also takes away the peach fuzz on your skin too, to take for when you put on your makeup, you have a nice smooth surface to put it on. So if you get peach fuzz on your lip, anywhere near here, like me, I get extra peach fuzz around here, aka sideburns. So this will definitely help to take care of it. So what they want you to do is to hold it at a 45-degree angle. So I have a mirror right in front of me right here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to try to pull your skin taut. I am right-handed, so this is a little bit of a, so we're going to go this way. And then I'm going to do little strokes to go down. And with every swipe, I'm going to want to wipe it off because it is taking the dead skin also at the same time. And then we're going to go down. Little strokes to go down to make sure I get every single area and not miss. And again. So now we're going to go down. Gonna move my plug out of the way. Want to make sure your hair is not in the way because it is a razor too. All right. So as you guys can possibly see, there is a little bit of dead skin on there. Wipe that off. And now we're going to go up above, which I do have a little bit of fuzz. So here, I try to like cut all my hair all the time to like here. Especially helps when I'm cosplaying and wearing wigs. So we are going to take care of some of that. And I can actually really hear that going. Oh yeah, that is definitely starting to get it. So with this, I usually will use like a different type of razor because this is for taking off your dead skin, the peach fuzz on your face. Taking this off completely will be just a little too rough on it, but I can at least go around and get the little bits. Oof. Yep. There is definitely some dead skin on there. So it's really good is you can use it in between your eyebrows too for just a little bit of cleaning up throughout time too. You try to only use this product at least once a week though. I'm going to try to do the other side. So you try to use it only once a week because you don't want to be taking off, you only want to be taking off the dead skin. You don't want to be taking off the skin that is still there. Go along that hairline. There we go. And this is leaving my skin very soft, very smooth. I don't feel the little dead skins or when you have a little bit of acne. It is leaving me with a nice, fresh, smooth surface. Like right here, I can feel the peach fuzz. So we're going to continue going down and trying to get rid of that. There we go. And no, this is not painful at all either. But you definitely do want to hold it at a 45-degree angle because remember, this is a blade. Again, this came from Stack Skincare. I'll link it down below also. And this is going to leave me with a nice fresh surface to apply my makeup also. Not ashamed, go for all the areas. All right, and one more side. Alrighty. And that is all of it. Now I'm left with nice, smooth, soft skin. All the peach fuzz off, takes away all the dead skin, removes the peach fuzz. This is a really good tool, especially if you have dark circles like me. If you guys have seen my Instagram video from when I first got the product and now about a week later using it for the second time, a lot of my dark spots has 100% actually brightened up already because it took away the dead skin that was already on top of it, releasing, like, showing the brighter skin that was right behind it. And I'm absolutely happy with it. My skin couldn't feel any softer. Like, I've been very happy. I shouldn't even touch my face even though my hands are clean. But I definitely do 100% recommend this product. It is Stack Skincare. It's a dermaplaning tool. This is awesome. These are also refillable heads too, so you can take these off. They recommend every 4 uses to get a new set. And because of the size of this too, I don't lose it. And it is actually very sturdy, very hard base. This, I am loving it so far. So like everything down below. Hope everybody has a great day. Bye.